Right now, something is happening with the binary options, especially when it comes to Euro USD, that no one is talking about. A big secret, something that can change your way of thinking about binary option trading on IQ option. So, as you can see, I'm trying to go from $10 up to like $1,000 or more. So I'm starting just with $10 on this account with one signal. So let's go up. Yeah, so first thing is a call. So as you can see, guys, I'm using my own strategy. This strategy is based on 4 indicators, a couple of chart patterns, a couple of price action patterns, a good risk management plan that everybody needs. If you are interested in learning the strategy, guys, you can do it through the course in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com, our website. If you are a student, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There's some updates there. Please update your strategy. All right, let's take the first win. So as you can see, guys, and as I was saying, I'm trading on Euro USD. I usually trade on Euro USD when it comes to binary options on IQ option. So let's open a high position or a call position. It depends on what you like to call it. So Euro USD, guys, this currency pair is the most traded in the Forex market and the binary option market. Its price movements are influenced by like various like macroeconomic, geopolitical, market factors. Some of these factors are like interest rates and monetary policies. This means that the market is influenced by an exterior and international factors. But when it comes to this, the market shown by these trading apps, they have free access to the markets. So let me just take, yeah, the first, this is the second win. We are already making over like $30 or so. Yeah, just a minute. I guess we should go up next. Yeah, we should follow the trend. Like, I like this type of markets because, or this type of signals because it's clear, a simple trend that you should follow, and that's it. Doesn't matter uh, how the indicators are acting. So let's go up and again. So $28. So as I was saying, like interest rates and monetary policies affects the Euro USD market or any market. Like let's say the central banks, the Euro Central Bank, and the Federal Reserve, like the Fed for the US dollar, play a significant role in shaping the Euro USD exchange rate. So, for example, let's say when the Federal Reserve raises interest rates, the US dollar strengthens, right? Because higher rates attract investors looking for better returns on dollar dominated assets. This leads to, of course, a downtrend in the Euro USD. And the opposite, if the ECB, the European Central Bank, like raises rates, the euro gets stronger. This leads to an uptrend in the Euro USD because the market follows the euro, the first pair from the currency pair. Here we are talking about Euro USD, so the market follows the first pair. Like if the value of the euro goes up, the market goes up. If the euro goes down, the market goes down. Of course, the value of Euro USD here must be the same, must be fixed in order to let the market follows the first pair. So this is my latest 3 trades. I guess we should go down. Now we start to flip from an uptrend, reverse to a downtrend. So let's put $54. Yeah, let's go down. So also something affects like the quantitative easing, so the QE. Central banks use QE to inject liquidity into the economy by like buying financial assets The, you must be a financial expert to understand these stuffs. But also, when the Fed or ECB engages in QE, this weakens their respective currency. Like for ECB, I'm talking about euro, and for the Fed, I'm talking about dollar. So this lead into fluctuations in the euro USD currency pair. How they affect the market? Simply the uptrends. Uh, for example, if the ECB tightens monetary policies like raises rates while the Fed keeps rates low, the euro USD tends to go up. This means that the euro is getting stronger. And for when you see a downtrend, this means, or most of the times, if the Fed tightens monetary policies like raises rates while the European Central Bank um, keeps rates low, the euro USD here will fall and go down. Another win. I guess simply here I will expect a downtrend. I will expect another red candle. This means let's go down. Let's put $99. Let's go. Yeah, let's go down. I guess this will be another win. Also about the market, when you see a big peaks, like big peak, large shifts in interest rates expectations, like the interest rate expectations can cause big peaks and rallies in the currency pair. Hope this makes sense. Also, in the other case, when you see a dip, like a surprise interest rate cuts or unexpected monetary stimulation, also can lead to like significant dips. Yeah, I guess another win. Yeah. Should I open with $100? Stick with $100. I guess next. So see, this one was clear. I love this type of, but this one was not that clear. All right, this one was not that clear, but the previous one was beautiful, easy, straight to the point. So let's go. I guess up. We should go up. So let's put like $180. I don't know why. But yeah, yeah. Let's risk it. Let's go up. There's some risk here. There's some risk being involved in this signal and in this session, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Um, yeah. So as I was saying, like these type of trading apps have access to the market. Like sometimes we see a shift in a market or a reversal or a trend that is not caused by external factors, international factors, economical factors. The change and the trend and the movement is being manipulated inside the platform, since they have total access and free access to the market. This means that if you are using a strategy, the best, let's say you are using the best strategy in the world with 100% winning rate, and the strategy is predicting like a trend or a signal, somehow the market is being manipulated by these trading apps. I'm not talking about especially for you, they manipulate it for you. No, there's sometimes some types of manipulations that is legal, right? Yeah. Give me a second here. This one, yeah, easy, straight to the point, meaning that we will see another uptrend. I mean, let's put 300. Yeah, $300. Give it some seconds. I'm going higher. I'm calling. Yeah, when you we should call. We should call. And I guess this is the end of this small uptrend. I guess next we will see a red candle. Let's see what this is giving us. Let's see the next one, and I will talk about the next trade. So back to what I was saying, I was talking about like the market being manipulated directly, and these trading apps have direct access to the market, which means that even if you are using like the best trading strategy in the world, it's useless because the market is here is unpredictable and you are just gambling. Because the for example, my own strategy use four indicators. These four indicators are are shaped based on data from previous hours and previous candlesticks. And my strategy is based on the previous data to predict the future uh, directions of the market and future colors of the candles. But if it's somehow being manipulated, this means that we are having, even if I'm right with my prediction, but it's manipulated, this means that we are going to lose and the strategy is useless. So, as I was saying, next one is going to be red. This means that another red candle, like $400. I'm sure this one, I'm 100% sure. $400. Yeah, down. Sure, this one is going down. So as I was saying, there is no, sometimes, not all the time. I'm just talking about some cases, special cases when the market is not affected by the outside factors like the economic data, like GDP growth, for example. For example, strong economic growth in the eurozone, since we are talking about euro USD, or in the US, like strong economic growth, I'm talking about, uh, impacts demand for their respective currency, like either for euro or USD. If the USD economy grows faster than the eurozone, oh, I was sure about this one. See, I fucking hate this type of markets, these cases. I don't know. I was sure that the market was going up. It just happened. But this is part of the trading journey. I guess that next we should go up. Yeah, this one with $400 must go up. Like now I'm starting to use my emotions. I'm starting to get exhausted, frustrated, because I hate it when the market is being manipulated. It's unpredictable. The strategy was working perfectly. All of a sudden, I see this small downtrend taking place. And yeah, crazy, crazy stuff. I hate it. So, as I was saying, for example, if the USD economic grows faster than the Eurozone, the US gets stronger, pushing the USD lower towards the second pair, which is the US dollar, and this will create a downtrend. And the inverse, if the Eurozone economy grows faster and the euro gets strengthens like this because of the growth, this leads to an uptrend in the euro USD. Also, inflation sometimes affect the markets. Like inflation rates determine the likelihood of central banks adjusting interest rates. Not directly, but indirectly, it will affect the market. So another win. So just last seconds. I guess I'm going to open the last trade. Let's go down because yeah, we should win this one. We should win this one because this is my last trade. I'll be like over $1,000, and I made enough. So remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm making these videos as an entertainment, and I'm not saying that you will make the same amount of money trading binary options. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. Please be careful when trading with real money. First, educate yourself. understand the market dynamics, master a strategy, choose a strategy, develop your own strategy. Doesn't matter. You must have a good strategy, a good risk management plan, and the yeah basic understanding of fundamental analysis, and then you can start trading with real money. So see you later.